Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you today about Wiseman Guitar Company. I'm a new luthier, but that doesn't mean I don't know what I'm doing. What I can do to make Wiseman Guitar Company unique is this: understanding tone woods. People argue that tone woods aren't a real thing, but the important thing to understand is that people do think tone woods are a real thing. Wiseman guitars will keep this in mind when making instruments. Also, knowing which pickups are right for the style of music each guitar will be geared towards. Overwhelmed pickups are generally better for metal music, single coils better for the blues. It's the knowledge of what type of electronics you use and when that makes a great guitar builder. And most importantly, I understand that music is moving forward. It's not standing still, it's not moving backwards. There needs to be a guitar company that evolves with music, and understanding this will lead to more desirable guitars. So a new guitar that sounds good, it should cost a fortune. You should have to take a second mortgage out or sell a kidney to get yourself a great sounding guitar. All the best sounding guitars have prices with more zeros than a Googleplex. If you can't afford a really expensive guitar, then it's going to sound, well, not so great. Let's face the facts. It's pretty much a given that all less expensive guitars have little to be desired in tonal quality. If you get a cheap guitar, it's most likely made in a guitar mill where each guitar is put together without love, passed on to the next pair of cold, gloved hands, just waiting to poke and prod until some sort of Frankensteinish product is produced. I don't think they use lightning rods, though. So wait a minute. Everything I just said about less expensive guitars seems wrong. Is there a solution? Can we escape these poor, soulless wood shapes with electronics? Ah, yeah. It's time for Wiseman guitars. So let's go through all of this again, shall we? A new guitar that sounds good shouldn't cost a fortune. You should be able to easily gain access to a great sounding guitar. Not all of the best sounding guitars have to have prices with more zeros than a Googleplex. The sound of a reasonably priced guitar should wow you, and in the case of a the sound of a reasonably priced guitar should wow you, and in the case of Wiseman guitars, it will blow your mind. The energy from 1,000 suns will rush through your body and produce pure joy that 10 lifetimes couldn't give you. Each guitar is handcrafted with love here in the United States. All the parts are made or farmed right here in the United States as well. With all the love we put into making Wiseman guitars, they will easily replace dogs as man's best friend. For the same price, you can sound like this. Or you can sound like this. We will also be the only guitar manufacturer that will demo each different guitar so that buyers can hear the sound. Not all shops carry all brands of guitars, and some people may not live close by to a big box guitar store where they can test out many instruments to hear how they sound. So, we will bring the sound to our customers on YouTube. Every time there's a change, a new product, it will be demoed on YouTube. We also understand that not everyone likes to play the same amplifier, so we'll use a variety of amplification systems so each client can hear our guitars on their preferred amplification device. Thank you for listening to me talk about the most relatable guitar company ever, Wiseman Guitars. Please take some time to check us out online, and we hope you consider us for your next electric guitar purchase. Thank you.